bigger.
Maybe you're smaller. I'm just adjusting properly to my new surroundings. It's the only place that ever happens to me. Whoa! Bit bouncy, isn't it?
Where are we?
Conductor's Railroad.
Magic Railroad?
Whatever. We're traveling miles and miles to the island. But I don't know if this railroad's going to last much longer. It'll vanish like the engine.
What engine?
The engine that used to travel on this railroad. Cousin and I never saw it. We don't know what happened to it. Hey, what's that doing there? You ready, Lily? Here are the buffers. No!
Where are we?
The island of Sodor, of course. This way. Achoo! Oh, bogus.
What's the matter?
I think I'm allergic to grass. Achoo!
It's a good thing I like climbing things.
Grass.
What's that noise?
The trains, I told you they talk. We're just too far away to hear what they're saying.
Good morning!
Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him.
Look, it's over here. Look.
Oh, Bunker, it's Junior.
Junior, look.
It's Thomas. Thomas! Now, don't look so surprised. I know you haven't seen me since...
You stuffed party poppers down my funnel.
Hey, we had a laugh.
You did.
You're talking to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily. Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to Sodor.
Come on, Lily. I'm very at home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you.
We've heard that one before. What's the matter?
Travel sickness.
What's that shining at the windmill?
Misto, Lily. I think it's my cousin.
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas!
Thank throttles you're safe.
Come on, Lily. Hey, Cuz, what's up? You enjoying the sun?
No, Junior, I am not. As a matter of fact, I just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster. Junior, where have you been?
Is your sparkle back, Mr. Conductor?
No, Thomas, it isn't. But I do know the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain. Darn.
Dither.
Hey, cuz, you're looking terrible. Why don't we get more gold dust? Because I used yours up. Then you can go back home and I can go to the beach.
Junior, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully.
Uh-oh.
I'll get that. I've got it.
Hello? No, this is his cousin. Who's this? Oh, hello, Hattie. No. He's hanging around here somewhere.
Yes, Sir Topham Hatt, sir. No, he just wanted to be friendly. No, he's not a dog. Well, let's just say he's a puppy in need of a good trainer. No, nothing to worry about, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Oh, Cuz, this is Lily. She's staying with Grandpa Stone.